The 2025 BYD Yangwang U9 is a striking entry into the electric supercar market, and it's already turning heads worldwide. Designed by BYD's luxury sub-brand Yangwang, this EV is as much a technological showcase as it is a high-performance vehicle. It's priced at approximately $230,000, and while that positions it close to established European supercars, what sets it apart is its futuristic engineering and wild performance figures. One of the standout elements of the Yangwang U9 is its powertrain. This supercar features 4 electric motors, one at each wheel, delivering a combined output of 1,287 horsepower and 1,680 Nm of torque. The power delivery is immediate and intense, launching the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.36 seconds. It's not just quick in a straight line either. The handling is incredibly dynamic, partly thanks to the torque vectoring that's possible with independent motors. The D-Seuss X suspension system might be the most talked about feature. It's not your average adaptive setup, it's intelligent, active, and capable of feats previously unheard of. Videos of the U9 jumping over potholes at high speeds have gone viral, showcasing its ability to lift individual wheels or the entire car to clear obstacles. It can even hop in place, which is not only a flex of engineering, but also a potential lifesaver on broken or unpredictable roads. That kind of capability hints at a different kind of future for performance EVs, where software and mechatronics matter as much as raw power. The ride quality, despite all this sportiness, is surprisingly refined. The U9's chassis feels planted yet supple, absorbing road imperfections with ease even at high speeds. This is where the D-Seuss X suspension truly shows its dual nature: stiff when needed, soft when cruising. Driving modes further enhance the experience, letting the driver switch from performance to comfort-focused tuning instantly. Inside, the U9 doesn't shy away from its luxury ambitions. The cabin is a high-tech environment featuring a large digital display, augmented reality heads-up display, premium materials, and ambient lighting. Everything feels futuristic and driver-focused, and yet retains a certain minimalistic elegance. The infotainment system is responsive and integrates with major platforms, though BYD's native interface still has a learning curve. Range is another area where the U9 holds up well. It's equipped with an 80-kilowatt LFP battery pack, offering around 465 kilometers of range under the CLTC cycle. While this may seem average in comparison to long-range EVs, it's more than enough for a supercar, especially considering the power output and performance. Charging infrastructure support and fast charging capability still need more clarity for international markets, but for the Chinese market, it's well covered. On the track, the Yangwang U9 is a missile. The acceleration is brutal, and the cornering grip is immense, with the motors constantly adjusting torque delivery to each wheel for maximum traction. Yet it's also quite easy to drive. There's no drama, no fight for control. It's a supercar that respects the driver's input and backs it up with incredible tech. Critics may argue that it lacks the emotional soundtrack of a combustion engine, and that's true. There's no roar or scream from under the hood. But the digital driving sounds and active feedback systems give it an identity of its own. It's a new kind of drama, silent, instantaneous, and razor-sharp. Overall, the 2025 BYD Yangwang U9 is not just a statement from China. It's a challenge. To the traditional supercar world, it proves that electric performance can be emotional, intelligent, and uniquely thrilling. For those ready to embrace the future, the U9 is more than just an EV. It's a revolution on wheels.